box open. Makeshift shack out here. Bubbles, big bubbles, plastic. And here's this material we're all familiar with. Look at that stuff. Alright. This all goes in the garbage can. Somewhere was it? Alright. There's that. We got ourselves a copy of the ham radio outlet catalog. Pretty slick. Buy more stuff. Alright. Yeah, buy more stuff, Lenny. Okay. Now, this is one of those open boxes. It comes back like a month or two later. Let's see where's a good place for this. Right over here. Save a couple $100 and you got the same damn radio. Literally go through them and make sure they're right. Alright. Excuse me. This on here, everyone's saying on YouTube, this picture about how this thing's packaged. This isn't to tell you how to take the stuff out. It's to tell you, here's a remembrance of how to put it back in here if you're selling your radio with your box, you know, or it's got to go in for repair or modifications or something. That's what it's for. Don't do it. Think out of the box, huh? Okay. All right, nice big thick manual right on top. The wire, yeah, you can see that. Sorry. You can see that these were, get up here, see if, oh, that'll work. I'm not used to this camera, guys, I'm sorry. Well, as you can see, they've been kind of crimped up and beat up just a little bit, you know. On the pole, just like a stripper. All right. Let's see. Got the microphone. Everyone either hates it or loves it for some reason or other. Microphone clip in here. We got that. This is the MH31AHJ. Microphone out here and have a look at it. Feels a little bit beefy. Feels just like holy shit. This one right here that I've got on my 2-meter FT2400. This is 30 years old. Or basically as old as that radio model is. I bought it way back in the day for my truck driving days and all that. Anyways. Same microphone, I guess. See how that works. I got a yays, I got an A's. Here's the spare fuse everyone's raving about, and they're not giving you this just in case, you know, you're gonna blow up all the time. These are just backups in case, you know, a power spike or you screw up. So that's what that's for, and they're nice because they're car batteries. Car battery fuses. Ooh, right into the camera. Just like a car. Easy to fetch. It says it's a 25 amp fuse. I don't know if you can read that or not. But nope, not possible. There's 25 amp on it. Take my word for it. All right, now for the baby. Limited warranty card. Voila. Foam on the side comes off real easy. Push that over there. Put that on top of my antenna switcher. That's now on the floor. And then here you go. Yaesu 450E. Well, I'm going to get in here and turn it on and see if any of the modifications have been made or not. If not, I'll have another video for you. Alrighty, here, that's it. That's the FT450. I'll throw some usage photo stuff up here in a little while once I get it running. There you go. Alright. This is Lenny Round, N8XLQ, from North Central State of Ohio. Coming at you live.